Our planet needs to be made sustainable by conserving limited resources and extending their useful life. We speak the language of change that ushers in a new era of sustainability. Zydex Industries, innovating for sustainability.
Since the beginning of Zydex in 1997, innovation in sustainability was our core objective. If you look at our innovation, we have succeeded at basically addressing the issue of limiting natural resources. We have addressed the issue of extending the life cycle of such materials. And a lot of our technologies have been globally recognized for our contribution in making the water resistant roads, making durable homes, making eco-friendly textiles, and the most importantly now is the transition of chemical based farming to the biological based farming in one crop cycle itself.
Zydex is headquartered in Gujarat, India. Our American counterpart, Zydex Inc., is headquartered in North Carolina, USA. We have a global presence in over 40 countries. We are ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and SA 8000 certified for quality, environmental, and social compliance. World over, the single biggest cause of road damage is water seepage. Moisture damage and poor fatigue response adversely impact the durability of roads. Building perpetual pavements is the key to sustainability.
So at Zydex, we have reimagined a pavement from the ground up such that it is built for moisture resistance, flexibility, strength, and maximal use of in-situ materials. As a result, Zydex additives enable bitumen layers, bond coats, and salt stabilized layers that have significantly enhanced life cycle attributes compared to conventional pavements.
Our technologies allow all bitumen mixes to be laid at low ambient temperatures and extreme climatic conditions within increased design life.
Globally patented technologies from Zydex make all the road layers weather resistant, waterproof, and ultra durable. For the same cost, the life cycle of the road is doubled, and there is significant reduction in the maintenance cost.
For perpetual pavements, it is key to develop water resistant bases, and Zydex has developed many technologies like Terrasil, Zycobond along with the cement to address the same. These bases are strong, flexible, and have been built from Andes all the way to the Himalayan mountains and performing well.
Thousands of kilometers of roads are being built with our innovative product range across the Americas, Europe, Africa, and Asia, which is a testimony of our technology's worldwide success and acceptance. Zydex Road Solutions have been universally recognized and awarded the Global Road Achievement Award by the International Road Federation in 2013. Buildings and homes are the foundation on which modern civilization is built.
The Zydex range of construction products consists of waterproofing, adhesives, sealants, and paints, all of which are designed for an exceptional service life of 20+ years, aiming for resource minimization. Zydex construction technologies help the building look aesthetically pleasing, durable, and water resistant, which significantly helps in bringing down the life cycle cost of the building. Mineral paints from Zydex are extremely durable, unlike conventional acrylic paints. These coatings can last for 30+ years.
Some of our prestigious projects include Toyota Factory, India, State House, South Carolina, USA, Reliance factories across India. The textile industry is constantly trying to reduce its environmental footprint with focus on sustainability for resources.
One of the key contributions in the 21st century for textile industry will be sustainability of raw materials like cotton and pulp. Zydex products and protocols have been developed to make them chemical free and using natural biotechnology.
With over 200 products, Zydex offers textile solutions with an aim to minimize water consumption and move towards a zero liquid discharge goal. Our products offer end-to-end solutions starting from yarn sizing to pre-treatment to printing and finishing. Recent innovation of the apricot printing technology is designed in such a way to eliminate the highly polluting steps as well as water intensive and energy intensive steps which are associated with the reactive printing. Our water-based screenings are replacing the toxic PVC plastisol inks.
Reputed international brands from the Americas, EU, Asia, and India use our eco-friendly solutions for their textile products. Over the years, natural soil ecosystems have been adversely impacted by the excessive use of harmful chemical inputs. Farmers today are concerned about soil health and environmental impact, and are looking for chemical-free biofarming alternatives without any yield loss.
The new protocol developed by Zydex, what we term as Farm Revival or Prakalpa Sanjeevani, is expected to allow the farmers to transit in one crop cycle from chemical farming to a biological farming with yield improvement and reduction in water by almost 40 to 50%. One of the key benefits will be increasing the soil carbon, improving the microbial population, and increasing the root zone by making the soil soft and porous, and thereby producing more nutritious food, plentiful food for all.
Our Zydex biosolutions have enabled our user farmers to improve their yield from 15 to 50%. With the improved soil quality and better water holding capacity and nutritional availability, the farmers have been able to reduce their consumption of pesticides and fertilizers in the range of 20 to 50%, in certain cases up to 100% as well. With the improved performance and balanced nutrition, the nutritional aspect of the crops and the vegetables which the farmers are growing, it's improving, and they have been able to harvest a better crop. We are happy that this generation of farmers is caring for the future of the society, and by using and adopting the biosolutions of Zydex, they are able to work for the sustainable world. Let's work for a sustainable future of Indian and global agriculture.
At Zydex, we foresee a society that cares for the future of the next generation. It is a matter of immense satisfaction that our innovative technologies are leading the way for a sustainable world. Let's work together for a better tomorrow.